Hey, I'm Max. I've lived in the Netherlands my entire life. Up until last week. I quit my job, cancelled my rent, packed my bags and moved to the most beautiful country in the world.
Alright. Wow. New bike. I just bought this new, amazing, incredible Royal Enfield. I'm calling it Clyde. I'm about to take Clyde on a lot of adventures. This is the start of something cool.
That's cool, eh?
Is it done now?
Almost first.
Okay, first on the list we got motorbiking.
First on the list? Okay. Is that first on the list?
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, you've got plenty of put a big bag across here.
Yeah.
Strap onto here.
And then strap onto here and that's it. Yeah. Who's the good looking guy? He's taking, guys. Just take.
Right, here we go.
Oh yeah, perfect. Alright, take those off.
Turn that on. Now I can see they're both recording. And then I just press to sync it.
Yeah.
And that's it. Now I'm gonna try to talk about it.
Yeah.
And it will probably be rubbish.
Yeah.
And if it's not, I'll use it. And if it is, Alright, see ya. Really excited to show you more about this, but not all of the gear is here yet, so I have to improvise a bit.
You're sitting in the sun, don't get sunburned.
Do you film all your videos on your phone?
Oh, good, mate.
Yeah, mate. It's awesome. Good advertising for the company.